Good morning. It's the start of a new day, and as always, we're going to have another trading session on the NGX today. Today is Thursday, October 30, 2025. This will be the fourth trading day of the week. So, here are my thoughts on what I will be watching in this day's trading session. As always, do note, nothing I say is investment or trading or personal finance advice. These are not stock picks. These are not trading picks. Please do your own research. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance, and I may or the rest of the team may or may not have a position in any of these stocks. It is important to disclose that. And to the market coverage, 9:45 a.m. Spotify where audio, you'd have pre-market in Pidgin English. I thought to do something to accommodate everyone. There should be more flavor for everyone. Remember that English is not just the only language spoken in Nigeria. We have Pidgin English. We have other indigenous languages as spoken. With time, we will accommodate all that. 12:30 p.m. West African time, you have the midday update on YouTube. 5 p.m. you have the daily market summary on Substack. 7 p.m. you have the daily market summary on Spotify and other audio platforms. 8 p.m. West African time, you have the daily market summary on YouTube and Twitter at Green Ticker Tales. So you want to follow all social media platforms to get updated as things go along. There's a podcast, in fact, right after I'm doing this. I've been promising, but I need to get around to it. A couple of earnings. Veritas Capital just dropped earnings today, this morning. So I think I'll be starting out. Expect a lot of episodes between now and Sunday evening. Lots of things happening in the market today. All links are in my bio on YouTube, and there's the website greenticketdeals.com. Criteria for my watch list: price and volume movement, as well as corporate actions. First on my watch list, ASO Savings. ASO Savings has been pushing back to back since it got off suspension. There has been robust demand for this stock, I think from a speculative / trading standpoint, simply because a stock is one of the 4 or 5 stocks on the NGX that is trading at less than £1 a share. So I won't be surprised if this stock goes all the way to £1 a share, or maybe pushes to the 90s and then starts to retrace when people start to take profit. I would probably zone in on this in today's trading session by midday. MTN Nigeria, one of the country's biggest telecommunications firms, 9-month 2025 results should be out anytime from now. There's a board meeting to consider them yesterday. MTN is usually quite prompt with releasing results, so I expect that result to be out anytime from now. Seplat had indicated a couple of days ago that their 9-month 25 results will be out today. Hopefully they hold a call. I quite like to listen to the calls. There's nothing like having a bird's eye view of the oil and gas space. TIP, the initiates, has a fact behind the offer presentation holding today on the NGX. I think TIP results should also be out anytime from now. TIP will be raising capital, so we should get details on the facts behind the offer presentation holding today at the NGX after market close. TIP, by the way, would also be on the Green Ticker Spaces this Sunday. I would set up the details and share once we have it up on the team has it up as well. Would share as well. So you want to keep an eye on TIP, both for the facts behind the offer presentation happening today, and the Twitter space we'll be having with the management of TIP. Dangote Cement 9-month 2025 earnings call holding today. Let's hear what they have to say. It's one of the biggest companies on the NGX by market cap, so you want to pay close attention to what they say. It's been a bumper year for cement firms, but let's have their view on Q4. I must give them kudos as well for holding a 9-month call. Not many firms hold 9-month calls because, by the time the results are out, it's just 3 months or so to the end of the company's financial year. So most firms tend not to hold 9 months calls. So kudos to them for that. Questions Questions are always welcome. Drop them in the comment section or send an email to info@greenticketales.com. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have yourselves a lovely day ahead. See you by 12:30 p.m. West African time. See you by 9:45 a.m. with the pidgin version of this on Spotify and other audio platforms. Stay safe.